Greetings from Arrow Health. My name is Dr. Anshu Maneja Arora. I'm a pulmonologist at Gurgaon, and today I'm here to share with you my odd day rule of COVID infection. I'm going to highlight the most important days in this disease that have to be taken care of when we are dealing with the symptoms. If you take care of these days and if you are more alert on these days, you might be able to protect yourself and your loved ones from complications arising from COVID illness. Let's get started. Day 1. Day 1 is the time when you should be reporting to your doctor if you have any fever, even up to 99. Day 1 is also the day when you must get isolated right away. So if you have any fever, even 99 or any other symptoms which are unusual and sudden in onset, get isolated right away. Day 3. By day 3, you should have reports of most baseline tests that you would do following the symptoms on day 1. These mostly include the CRP, D-dimer and CBC test to detect any start of inflammatory process. At day 3, you may also expect a higher fever up to the tune of 100 or 101. Watch out for this fever. Day 5. This is the phase when the lung involvement starts getting evident. Watch out for any new onset cough or breathlessness. Patients must keep a strict watch on their saturation level. It is also a good day to get the CT scan done. Before this, the CT scan may be falsely negative and may give a false impression of a normal report. Again, blood test may be monitored every 48 to 72 hours depending on the severity of illness. So day 5 may be a good time to get tested if you got your test done on day 1 itself. Day 7. We call it the stage of complications. At day 7, patients may expect worsening of their saturation levels, worsening of their fatigue and persistence of high-grade fever. These are signs that you're going into the complicated second week of the illness. It is a day where you should report immediately to your doctor if you've had fever still above 101. It's also a day where steroids and anticoagulants may be considered if not already started based on the results of day 5. Day 9. Day 9 is the late complicated phase, the beginning, the heralding of the phase where either a patient will show drastic improvement in case of mild cases or the movement to the next step. Watch closely for any desaturation. It is very important to report to your doctor if your fever has still not settled because it is not a good sign. The lab reports done on day 9 can signal an incoming cytokine storm and can help us get a clue on patients who may be going into the very severe phase. Watch out for persistent symptoms. Day 11. This is the time to see oxygen requirement and medicine requirement for patients who've already gone into the severe phase or moderate phase. Be watchful of this day because post-day recovery chances are more in case you've had a milder course, but complication chances are more if you've already gone into the moderate or severe phase. If you take care of these odd days in a COVID illness and watch yourself over the first 2 weeks of the illness, chances are that we will be able to pick up symptoms and signs at the earliest. Remember, in COVID, time is crucial. Act fast and report early, and get well soon. Thank you.